Very good evening, class 1. Welcome back to online class. Students, today in English subject we will be doing unseen passage. So let's start. But before that, I just want to give you the list of the topics we have covered so far. अभी तक हमने कौन से topics cover किए हैं? Let me give you the list of that. So you can tally that you have done all this in your notebooks. In literature part, we have covered The Garbage Monster, Mix a Pancake, Bimal and Rani, Good Manners, The Lion and the Fly, and Worksheet 1. And in language part, we have covered simple future tense, position words, opposites, describing words, names of fruits and vegetables, Diwali festival, composition, picture composition, and today we will be doing unseen passage. So let's begin. Unseen passage. What is unseen passage? Unseen passage is a passage which we have not seen before. A paragraph is given and by reading that paragraph you have to answer the questions that follows the paragraph. So let's read our today's passage. Read the passage and answer the questions given below. It's just like a story that you read in your literature book and then you have to do the question answers. So let's read. Bags, bags, blue bags, green bags, cries the bag seller. There is a man, the bag seller, and he is crying. What is he crying? Blue bags, green bags. He says he's selling blue bags and green bags. He's shouting and selling his blue and green colored bags. He has many bags in his cart. There are many bags in his cart. What is cart? Thela, जिसको हम बोलते हैं, cart. He's very tired and sits under a tree. He's very tired and then what does he do? He sits under a tree. He goes to sleep and after some time he goes to sleep. He falls asleep. There are monkeys on the tree. They quickly run down to take one bag each. And immediately after he falls asleep, there are monkeys sitting on the tree. They come down and each monkey picks one bag from his cart. The bag seller wakes up and finds his bags missing. And when the bag seller wakes up, what does he see? That there are no bags in his cart. The bag seller thinks of an idea. What is his idea? He scratches his head. The bag seller shakes his fist. What does he do? First he scratches his head, then he shakes his fist. He shakes his fist. The monkey shakes their fists too. And on seeing the bag seller shaking his fist, the monkeys too shake their fist. Bag seller को देख के monkeys ने भी अपनी fist को shake किया. Then the bag seller throws one bag to the ground. And what does the bag seller do? He throws one bag to the ground. Then all the monkeys throw their bags to the ground. And when the bag seller throws his bag to the ground, same way the monkeys also throw their bags onto the ground. The bag seller picks the bag and quickly runs away. And what does the bag seller do then? He immediately picks up all the bags from the ground and runs away. Okay, so this is a passage. Now let's look onto the question answers part. Answer the following questions. The first question is, what color bags does the bag seller have? So the answer to this question is, the bag seller has, H-A-S, has blue and green colored, C-O-L-O-U-R-E-D, green colored bags, S, full stop. Question number 2, why does the bag seller sit under the tree? Bag seller पेड़ के नीचे क्यों बैठता है? The bag seller, you will write the T capital, the bag seller sits, S-I-T-S, sits under the tree because, B-E-C-A-U-S-E, because he is tired. वो थका हुआ है. He is tired, T-I-R-E-D, full stop. Let's move on to question number 3. What do the monkey do when the bag seller shakes his fist? What do the monkey do? Monkey क्या करते हैं जब bag seller अपनी fist को shake करता है? So the answer to this question is when. We'll start from when. W capital, when the bag seller shakes his fist, comma, the monkey shake their, T-H-E-I-R, their fist too, T-O-O-2. Again I'll repeat, when the bag seller shakes his fist, comma, the monkeys shake their fists too, T-O-O-2. Now let's move on to question number 4. Why does the bag seller sleep? Bag seller क्यों सोता है? The bag seller sleeps because he was tired. He was tired. T-I-R-E-D. Full stop. Now let's move on to the B part. Read the passage and answer the following. Fill in the blanks. We have to fill in the blanks by reading the passage. Passage में से इनके answers ढूंढने हैं. So the very first blank is the dash was sleeping under the tree. Who was sleeping under the tree? The bag seller. So we will write in the blank bag seller, B-A-G, bag, S-E-L-L-E-R, seller. The bag seller was sleeping under the tree. Number 2, the monkeys dash their head just like the bag seller. Monkeys ने अपने head को क्या किया? Just like the bag seller की तरह scratch. The answer is scratch. S-C-R-A-T-C-H. Scratch. The monkeys scratch their head just like the bag seller. And next is blank number 3. By mistake I have put number 1, but it is blank number 3. आपने यहाँ पे number 3 डालना है. Okay. The third blank is the bag seller throws the bag on the dash. Bag seller bag कहाँ फेंकता है? He throws the bag on the ground. G-R-O-U-N-D. Full stop. Let's move on to the next part. C part. Find and underline the positional words in the sentences. We have to find the positional words in the following sentences and then we have to underline them. So let's read these sentences. The very first sentence is the bag seller sleeps under the tree. Positional words कौन से words होते हैं students? Those words which tell us about the position of any object. यहाँ पे the bag seller sleeps under the tree. किस चीज की पोजीशन बता रहा है? बैग सेलर की. बैग सेलर कहाँ पे है? अंडर द ट्री. सो द पोजिशनल वर्ड हियर इज अंडर, UNDER, अंडर. सो वी विल अंडरलाइन द वर्ड अंडर. हम अंडर को अंडरलाइन करेंगे. सेकेंड सेंटेंस, देयर आर मंकीज ऑन द ट्री. सो द पोजिशनल वर्ड इन दिस sentence is on, ON, on. So you will underline the word ON, on. Okay students, that's all. In this passage, we have covered its question answers, fill in the blanks and positional words. Okay, so now you have to note this passage as well as the question answers in your notebooks. That's all for today. Thank you, students.